XB Marketing here with another video. In today's video, I am going to show you a couple of landing pages that you can use to make money online with content logging. Alright, so the first landing page that I'm going to show you is this TikTok followers generator landing page. As you can see right here, it's a very professional looking landing page. The conversion rate of this landing page is going to be insane because it's super clean and everything looks awesome. Alright, so if I come right here, or if the visitor comes right here and put in their username, so let's say XP Marketing. Alright, so and they click on connect, as you can see right here, the whole connecting thing is happening, and then they are going to ask me the number of followers that I want to get. Let's say 5,000. Alright, so as you can see, it says successfully generated. Now it's saying performing a verification. As you can see, the content locker is going to pop up shortly. Alright, so you can see now the content locker popped up and these followers right here. So basically they have to click on verify to get these followers. And also you can see a timer right here just to incorporate some scarcity right there to make the visitor knows that if they don't take action right away, they may not get the followers. And also I have made a dedicated video to TikTok, how to drive traffic to a TikTok landing page. I may leave a link in the description so that you can go watch that video. And also, so once the verify is clicked upon, the content locker is going to pop up. All right, so I am not going to be talking too much about it, so you can go watch that video in detail. So the second landing page that I'm going to be showing you is this Mario Kart Tour landing page. All right, so basically this is a game that adds some paid features. All right, so there are a lot of people who are going to be looking for how to get the premium feature for free. So basically you don't have to make this a black hat content locker if you don't want to. Okay, you can basically come to a website like modroid.com. so if you come to this website and you type in Mario Kart Tour right there and you click on search, you can see this is the game right here, and also you can see it has the mode features of the game. All right, so basically you can see right here that this is the modded version of the game. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is to download this game, and then you are going to place a link in your content locker. So once they complete the offer, they are going to get redirected to download the game. Okay, so basically that is how you can do it without having doing this as a black hat method. So the third landing page I'm going to be showing you is this NBA landing page. All right, so basically there's also NBA game. So if you go to this website and see, so basically as I type in NBA in the search bar, you can see this is the NBA game right here. So basically what you need to do is you want to, as you can see here, it says plus mode, which means it has the features unlocked. So basically you can just download this game right here. So if I click on it, all right, as you can see right here, NBA 2K 2020, just like as we have here. So all you just need to do is download this game and you can lock the game. Once they complete the offer, they will get redirected to this game. So basically it's a win-win situation for you and the visitor. All right, so they complete the locker for you and you give them what they want. All right, so everybody wins. So the fourth locker that I'm going to show you is this PUBG locker right here. Basically you can make a 1 to 2 minute gameplay of PUBG and leave a link in the description to this content locker. All right, I have made a video on how to host this content locker for absolutely free, so you want to check out that video if you've not seen it already. All right, so basically what you want to do is you want to go onto YouTube and type in this game right here. So if we use NBA as an example, you can see just one day ago you have over almost 100k on this game alone. So basically there are a lot of people who are interested in this game. And if we filter this week, okay, so if we filter to this week, you can see there's also another game here. There's also another gameplay here just 4 hours ago, and you can see how many views is on this game alone. All right, so basically you can make short videos on this game. You can leave a link to your content locker. As you can see right here on this guy's thumbnail here, you can see he's playing the exact game, because if you go back to this, all right, you can see this is the image of the person behind this locker right here. So basically you can do the same thing. You can make a short video, 1 to 2 minutes. You don't even need to show your face, just basically play the game on your device and leave a link to download the game. All right, so basically that is how you do it. And also if you search for Mario Tour gameplay as well, you are going to see a lot of videos that are getting views as well. So if you filter to the last week, as you can see right here, just 4 days ago this person played this game, and you can imagine how many views they've gotten already. You can see this person uploaded this video 1 day ago and they've gotten almost 200 views on this game already. So basically that is how you do it, is to start getting views. And also you can look at the competition of the game right here. So you want to also make sure you install the vidIQ plugin. So once you install that, it's going to help you see the competition. As you can see, the competition of this game is very low. So basically you can make a lot of money right now if you start making videos for this game. So basically you want to take action right now and start ranking for this game. So basically, like I said, you don't need to show your face. As you can see, this game, they are not showing their face, they are just basically recording their gameplay. So once you record the gameplay, leave a link to your locker in the description and people are going to click on it to download the game. So if they complete the offer, you make money and they get the game. So you want to do the same thing for PUBG. Like I said, you want to do a gameplay of PUBG on YouTube. So if I type in PUBG right here, so if I type in PUBG right here, you can also make gameplay of PUBG. You can see 17 hours ago, 130,000 views on this video. So let's just filter to a week ago and see. All right, you can see this video is getting a lot of views. So basically that is how simple you can do it as well. And also you can see it has medium competition. All right, so if the farther the mark is from this red, the better it is for the keyword. So basically the competition is not too bad. As you can see, it has 73 out of 100. So basically it's a decent keyword to start making videos for. All right, so basically I don't want this video to be too long, so that will be all for this video. And if you find any value, please leave me a like on this video and leave any question you have down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.